There is lot of noise about DeepSeek-R1, the reasoning model that outperformed the OpenAI O1. I also know it's very unique that we are going to run this 1.5 billion parameter DeepSeek-R1 distill model in my Android smartphone with this specification. Like I have 8 GB plus 8 GB RAM and Helio G95 processor with 128 GB storage. I'm going to run that model in this Android smartphone. It seems like a complex, but it's very easy. You have to download llama.cpp package and you can run this as a server. Like here I'm going to run this model in Termux using the build llama server. Okay, so it takes only 30 seconds to run fully. Now I have to go to another session where I have my Python script where I used OpenAI API for offline models also. We can use OpenAI API for offline model also. So here I'm going to run the python c.py and okay, here I can say hello and enter. You can see it's very fast because it's running locally in my Android smartphone. I'm streaming the output from the model now, and first it will think because it's a reasoning model. DeepSeek-R1 is a very good model, and here is only 1.5 billion parameters model. How fast it is! It's running in my Android smartphone. I can't believe this is very good, fast. Okay, it's taking very long time to think because it's a reasoning model. Let's wait for the real output. Okay, real output is hello, how can I assist you today? For this line it thinks for many words. Wow. Now I'm going to ask this model like who is you and which company. I think I can write which company created you. Company created you. And a question mark. Okay. And enter. Okay, it's going to think like okay. So the user is asking who is you and the company created you. Okay, it's taking time to think. Let me wait for the real answer. This is a thinking process. Okay, how beautiful it is, how fast it is. Only 1.5 billion parameter, and there are a lot of knowledge in this model. The point is we are running this model on an Android smartphone with only 8 GB RAM. Only 8 GB RAM. Okay, so this is amazing. Realme 8 smartphone is very low price smartphone, I know. So I exit this program. So guys, if you want a full video on this, like how can we run this model on Android smartphone, what is the script, what package I have to download, then subscribe this channel and wait for the next video. Thank you guys.